Make sure the surface is clean and dry. Get the 3M double-sided tape and attach it to the back of the bracket. Firmly press the tape all along the edges so that it adheres evenly without air bubbles. Now peel off the other side of the tape and lightly place the bracket in position. This way, it will be easy to take off and reposition if needed. Now you can insert the sponge holder into the bracket, and if you're happy with the position, remove the sponge holder and firmly press all along the bracket to secure it into place. Wait 24 hours for the adhesive to cure for maximum long-lasting strength. To remove the sponge holder, simply push or pull down with the basket still attached to the bracket. This will act as leverage and it's going to make it easier. Remember, the adhesive is very strong but will start to come off with no residue left behind.